Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin 4-hour charts. Yes, Bitcoin on the 4-hour, we did get rejected at our resistance level. We were looking pretty good for a move up yesterday morning, but it was not to be. We looked like we were making our way into this resistance zone once again, and yeah, obviously the second time of asking, you would have given us a better chance of getting through, but we were rejected back down to basically back down below our next horizontal, which we had drawn in. And we actually back tested that and are now at present but getting rejected. We are forward checking, back checking, and pay checking from this this level. So yeah, the next target, the next real levels are down towards this well, we could pretty much call it $46,500, but it's a bit of a range. That is our next kind of level we are looking at. So we want to get supported either here or above for us to be looking still extremely bullish. As long as we are, realistically, as long as we are above this low here, these lows here, or even just this whole sort of area, I do think we'll still look very good for a support and a bounce. But if we aren't to get supported here and we do come lower, then yeah, maybe we have established our range. Maybe we're going to come and fully and formally back test the bottom side of the range, 42,000. Or if this will be the midpoint of the range, or sort of the upper point and the lower level, maybe we bounce around this top area a little bit before losing it, come and testing the bottom, bouncing around, and then moving back up. That could be a possibility. This was basically the lowest level for what I would want to see as a sideways trading range. I mean, realistically, I wanted it a bit higher, but then we could have gone higher. But if this is to be the sideways range, then yeah, so be it. Sideways for a little bit. But like I said, we still got every opportunity here anyway of getting supported anywhere from where we are to this support level to then turn back up, look very nice relative to this low and this low, and then push onwards and upwards towards maybe the 52, 53, maybe even the 50, anywhere from like say 56 to 58,000. So yeah, we are having a bit of a pullback, bro. So yeah, let's have a look at the Ethereum BTC pairing. This we were looking at this yesterday morning also, looking like it wanted to try and break through this level. It was sat at it, but yeah, 4-hour 9 at resistance, at horizontal resistance and downward sloping trend line was just too much, and yeah, we got rejected and came down. So either we take out this low or this horizontal and move lower, or we do start to form a reversal of this medium-term downtrend, with obviously a higher low relative to this low, and then we try and put in a higher high, take out this horizontal. They are the scenarios for the Ethereum Satoshi pairing. The Ethereum USD pairing as well. If we have a look at this, I mean, there's not a lot to read here. It is there or thereabouts. It's been a sideways range for a while in the dollar pairing. So yeah, not too much to look at there. Bitcoin dominance as well, pretty much similar, sideways here, back into our sort of support, old support, new resistance zone, but trying to make a way through that. So maybe we do make a move back up. And then yeah, I mean, realistically, we've got targets of back up towards 46%. Let's have a look at those stocks. S&P futures this morning looking good, so nothing to worry about there. Dollar index has lost its 93 handle, broke back below this old support. Well, yeah, old support, new resistance to the upside, but yeah, and then getting rejected, trying to get back into it, being rejected a few times here. So yeah, maybe we will print a sort of a head and shoulders here, and then finally make a move lower, and then get deep into this bottom level, support level, and then lose that, and then find ourselves somewhere in this range again. That could be what is playing out here. It is looking clearly better for the risk asset bulls than it was when we were sat up here. So yeah, that is that. Yeah, we'll just have a look at the stochastics then. We obviously know higher time frames probably looking good and lower time frames looking a bit beaten up here. But yeah, 4 hour very low here. So you would potentially expect price action in the shorter term to maybe struggle to not have a bounce somewhere in the near future. The 10 hour, the near future based on a 4 hour chart. The 10 hour when it decides to load. Yeah, 10 hours still got plenty of room to move down here, and also the 12 hour will as well. We're looking at that yesterday. 12 hours turning back down here as well. So we'd have downside pressure from the 10 and the 12 hour clearly as well. Daily looking like it could come down as well. 2-day looking like it could come down, but obviously it's still at high levels. 2-day and 3-day still at high levels, but looking like they are turning down. 5-day also looking to turn down, and weekly still all these are looking better, looking okay. But yeah, maybe just maybe this is the new established range from about 50,000 and then down to 42,000. Sideways chop within here, I wouldn't be adverse to. I just wouldn't want us losing for this horizontal. As long as you remain above that, then everything is all honky dory. And yeah, we can just trade sideways and obviously ultimately hopefully break back above and then towards the next levels. But yeah, we'll see how we go. We are not looking bad at all until we lose this area. If we lose this area, realistically we have a good shot of taking out these lows and then obviously coming down to 42. But yeah, like I said, we may not even make it this low. This may get front ran, or it may just act as support at that level. We turn back up and we do just look still very nicely bullish within this trend, and then yeah, we'll give 50k another shot. So yeah, that is it, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I shall speak to you guys soon.